Tozana ukhokho nomkhulu salukwasendodana sokhokho bathini bathi mawuvula kuvalenze namadoda u-Auntie Usha. Hey, I want us to discuss the issue of how do you make sure that you get the best help you can possibly get from a healer. How do you make sure that you get what you really looking for? How do you make sure? How and what is it that you need to do for you to get that? That could be the question that you have, and I'm going to give you that answer in terms of what is it that you do. The answer is meant to guide you, not to be chacharach, to guide you in terms of how to avoid finding yourself in a position whereby you have a diary of ancestors. Sorry, we have a diary of healers. Lalela, you know any healer everywhere of the corner when now you have this diary that is heavy, like you have tried people and you are proud of going around utshena abantu ukuthi don't tell me about Usbanbane. I know him. I don't tell me about Usbanbane. I know her. Where now you are now a graduate of healers. That's how much you have went into healers, but none of those healers, according to you, have been able to assist you. But you claim now to know somebody else who might help a particular person. The problem with that comes with the fact that you end up being mentally disturbed, but you don't see that. You are not okay anymore, but you don't see that because when now all you do or all that you are thinking is to tell yourself that you are right and the rest of all these healers are wrong. Let's face the reality. There is no way that you can attend 10 healers and all 10 of them they were not able to assist you. Even if you are talking about 5 healers and all these 5 healers, they are not able to assist one person. There are reasons behind that, and I want us to discuss those reasons because this is one video or one of those videos that they don't need you to be chacharach. They don't need you to listen to respond. They need you. This is one video that you need to listen to understand, not to respond. Listen to understand or not to comment. Listen to understand, not to criticize. And understanding doesn't mean agreeing with me, but understanding it's an assignment to go and do a self-introspection. Or what is it that you want? When maybe, I'll start with maybe, you should stop going for consultations. If you go to the healer, just tell them what you want. 2, maybe you should totally avoid healers and find other ways of assisting yourself, because you are going to blame this one and blame that one and blame that one, except blaming yourself at the end of the day. To me, it's a turn off if you're going to tell me, Oguti, hey God, you've tried that, you've tried to husband and everything. Avoid saying those things. Go to the healer and do or say what you are there for, and that's it. Your history is going to sell you. Your history is going to make a person to convince you to say, no, me, I can do it. Me, I can do it. No, you've been doing wrong. All this time, this thing you've been doing it wrong. Me, I can assist you. So, let's get into this. I'll speak for myself as a healer. If you are in a mood or for healer's shopping experience, and you ended up in my shop, if you call it a shop, then you are shopping at the wrong place. Trust me, if ever you come to me, you need anything as a healer that you need assist on. However, you are here to test me, then I'm going to prove you right, because I'm going to fail you. I always, especially at the end of the year or at the beginning of the year and the mid-year, I always analyze and sit down and think about people that I've helped. 99% of those people that I've helped, it's people that truly believed in me. Besides the ones that they dreamt about me, they've never heard about me, but they dreamt about me, and yes. But most of the people that came here, it's because they truly believed ukuthi I'll assist them. And the complaints are only on 1% out of the 99%. So that 1% of complaints is people that were here to test me. So I failed the test because I was being tested. So I literally failed the test. And I'm happy to have failed that test because I am not in a competition with any healer. If you come to me and say, hey Gogo, Usbanban is better than you, you are right. That person is better than me. You are correct. Whatever that you think of me, I'm useless, I'm whatever, you are correct. And if you come to me and believe in me in saying, Gogo, I strongly believe that you can be able to assist me, then I will assist you. And if I don't assist you firsthand, I do have plan B whereby we can sit down and say, let's do it this way. Okay, I failed this way, let's do it this way, because I'm human. I do not travel the world for nothing. I do not travel the world for me to show off. That's why I don't have a picture of myself posing somewhere next to Lamborghini, posing on a beach, eating ama grapes or ama strawberries or whatever, being romantic wherever, just enjoy for the fact of I wanted to be there and be romantic. I don't do that. It's because whenever I travel for the purpose. That's why I still drive a very old Polo. It's because it's not about status. And I'm not saying that healers that are driving beautiful cars, it's about status. It's not about status. It's katsabo siyavuma. It's their time to drive those cars. It's their time to stay in those beautiful houses. It is not my time as yet. I can't afford it. It's like these people, umuntu afike, just because of you were the test. And then they are going to test you with their money to say, let me see if ever he will be able to do this. I'm going to fail you. And because I'm going to fail you, you're not going to accept my failure. And you're going to come to me and say, I need a refund. And when I tell you that I do not have that money, and then you think I have all the money. If ever I was taking people's money and I was maintaining my lifestyle and everything, yes, I was going to have a big safe that is full of money because of I'm not traveling. All that I do is to take that money and spend it with myself and my family. It is up to you. If you're going out there and to test that pastor, I want to see what is it about this new pastor in the village and everything. Trust me, you're not going to like that pastor. You're going to fail. But if ever you tell yourself you are going to join this congregation because you see it as fit into your spiritual growth with your God, and you really feel you are willing to give nothing but to throw yourself into the church, then you are going to see the work of that pastor. You're going to see what that pastor really works, that pastor is gifted. But if you're going there to test if that pastor is working or not, trust me, you're going to win, because that pastor is going to fail you, because that pastor is not for tests. It is his calling to talk about the word of God. So it is up to us at the end of the day, because we are going to go from this place to another place, from this place to another place, complaining about that healer and everything. I mean, I know of people who knows healers, but you ask them, why are you still in the same position if you claim to know these people that I know as healers, or those healers that are working? No, they don't have my muti, which means my things are more powerful. No, you are lying to yourself. There's nothing powerful about you. If there is something powerful about you, you are a very powerful, toxic individual. That's how powerful you are. That's it. So, whenever you're going to go for help, be willing to be helped. Don't think that you are doing a favor to a healer. In closure, I spoke about the issue of time to arrive at the healer's place. I have got into a position now whereby bring your insults, bring whatever you want to bring in terms of saying, oh, yeah, now he wants to change times and everything. Lalela, there is no way you can go to a healer and arrive around 9, 10, 11, 12 and still you want help on that day. There's no way. There's no way. You have been doing it to me, and it's time I put an end on it. If you are not here early as possible, it's irrelevant where you come from. It's really irrelevant. I'll give you a typical example. I'm going to India. My appointment is on the 10th of that month to India. But I'm going early, 2 days before. 1, it's far. 2, I don't know how's the weather there. I don't know how are things. I've been given an appointment. Yes, we are communicating. But I cannot ask them, how's the weather? I want to become prepared. How's what? How's what? You can't. You can't. So I'm going there early because I know what I want. I'm not going there to test them. I'm not going there to test the waters in terms of I want to see. Yeah, they are talking about the Indian traditional work in terms of muti and everything. I want to see how does it work. I'm not going there to test them. I trust that they are going to assist me. And one of the terms and conditions that I'm bringing now, in terms of at the particular time, I'm tools down, I'm bones down, I'm muti down, is 12. But doesn't mean that you're gonna get here at 12 and then and say you want help the same day. That's another thing that makes muti not to work for you, because your muti is not being baptized by your ancestors. But by the time when you go look for help, your ancestors are left behind because you have prioritized other things over muti. So it is up to you. It is up to you. I need to be waking up by you, because you are the one that is need help. I cannot expect a person in India to wait for me to wake up in the morning on the 10th and wait for me to come. I remember I went to this healer in Nigeria, and he asked me, what time did you get here? I said around 5, 6 I was here. And he said, why that early? Because I said to him, I'm a healer. I know the importance of coming early, what it does with my ancestors. And he was very impressed, extremely impressed. And people who came later, they were like wanting to get help and everything. There's no way you can travel from Johannesburg to Mpangen and you leave early hours of the morning and when you want to be helped on that day. There's no way. If you want to be a VIP, be a VIP at your home, not by the healers. You need to wake up in the morning. You need to make sure you get there in time. For who? For yourself. You are not doing any favor for me. You are doing it for yourself because of what? The people that you are with. The people that are with you all the time. Salwa Sendot, Koko Batini Batatokosa.